Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. 19 GMC Canyon door panel removal, front door panel removal. Little plate in here. There's a little notch, get a little screwdriver and pop this out. Little baby fingers. That's probably a 7mm bolt, and we'll remove that bolt. So I've stopped on this door panel removal. We're just replacing these mirrors here. We pulled this out far enough. The clips in the bottom pop out. I'm just going to show you down here. Got the clips down here. Nothing fancy. Right here. But apparently it says at the rear of the door panel, high tension retainer at the rear of the door panel, I'm assuming here, is going to require 67 foot-pounds of force to even break it loose. They want you to cut the head of the retainer. I'm not sure how to do that because I'm skipping it. They want you to cut the head of the retainer so you don't break the holder on the door panel itself. That's what they say. And they want you to replace it. I'm not sure how much it costs, but they say you need it to put the door panel back together. At this point in the shop, we're not going to take any chances. We just peeled it back. Got the 3 screws out here and the electrical connector undone. Replaced the mirror. And I'm not sure where you're taking the door panel off, but be aware. High tension connector in here. It's going to break some stuff. Be aware of that. If it's your own vehicle, it might not matter as much. And I can't believe the door panel is going to go anywhere with all these other clips that we have on here. And 5 screws. I don't think the door panel is going to go anywhere if that high tension retainer they talk about is broken. So, I'm sorry this video is going to disappoint probably, but hopefully you can make the decision if you want to rip tear on this. And before you do, you just snap those clips back in place. You can just put a nice little friction fit. Snap into the hole. That's really it. Snap it back in place. Snaps in pretty nice. Put your screws back in. So we're going to pass on removing the door panel. Be aware of the dangers or the issues with this door panel. Maybe in the future I'll actually be tackling this when I'm doing a window motor or something. But until then, passing. We'll remove this trim, some kind of small bladed tool they say to pop it, set it free. So hopefully we can do that with a small plastic. Broke my tool. That's better than the trim, I suppose. So I'm going to pull this off. It says we fought with this for a long time. It was like this. These are simple friction fit, but they were a pure pain in the butt to pop out, especially when you're dealing with plastic, because plastic likes to break. So got these pieces, they just fit in these holes, and you're just supposed to pry it out like this and come out with the little tabs. So I think it's going to come out slightly from the bottom. That's where you need to get your pry bars in there. And you see you actually want to be on this side of the white here. In here probably won't do anything. unless you can actually push on the back of those pins. So anyway, this is friction fit, should just pull out, but it can be a bear to get out. Some level of taking it easy so you don't break plastic. And we have 2 screws down here, 7 millimeter, 7 millimeter, 2 screws in there, 7 millimeter. 7 millimeter already gone.